Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look crazy right now, but don't worry, we are about to get ourselves together with this Rio Hair.
Yeah, yeah. Whoa, I'm so pretty and he like that.
So right here I have this 16-inch lace wig, and you guys, I did color the hair. It did come in like a natural color, but I decided I wanted to try something new. Summer is coming up. I need a new look. I need some color in my life. So that's what I decided to do. I bleached it, I dyed it, and I also did pluck it. So that's what went on with this hair. This is a 16-inch and the curl pattern is Natural Bohemian. So if you guys aren't familiar with Rio Hair, I don't know where you've been, probably under a rock, but Rio Hair is sold at the hair store, and that's honestly very, very convenient because I know a lot of us, we probably have to wait a long time, and sometimes we don't have time to wait. So going to the hair store is super convenient. You just go, you pick up a wig, and this wig, I'm very surprised with the quality. It took the color well, and it also didn't take as long, and the curl pattern, the hair is still soft. The hair is still soft, and I'm not receiving any shedding. Granted, the shedding that came from plucking and making the hairline as natural as possible, but I love that. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. So when I do need a wig and I need a wig the same day, Rio Hair is definitely gonna be my go-to. I also love that it comes with combs and it comes with a strap, you guys. I did not have to sew this down. I did not have to install these combs and all this stuff myself. And the wigs that I wear on a daily basis have these. So what this does is it provides extra security because I don't like to secure my wig in the back. I honestly, y'all, I'm the person that like to plop my wig on and off, and y'all know that. So although I haven't used glue on my hair in a long time, like a long time, I'm super excited to try Rio Hair's glue, you guys. So I have my blow dryer, I have my little popsicle stick, I have my glue, and I have my wig. So what we are about to do is install this wig so you guys can continue watching and watch me do it. Alrighty guys, so I am back and this is the final look and I love it. I love it so much, especially because I cut it, as you can see. I'm so happy I did because especially with the color, it's giving that short, cute and fun summer look that I wanted to achieve. I'm pleasantly surprised with the hair, the way it took color, just the way the install came out in general. I definitely believe you guys need to stop sleeping on hair store hair. So definitely for those last minute looks, and even say if you want a wig quicker, you don't want to wait for shipping, you don't want to wait for processing and UPS or whatever you use to take a delay, or you have a really important event coming up, I definitely suggest getting this Rio Hair because hun, look at it. It's so cute. One thing I can say is I do wish the hair was just a little bit thicker. I love a full thick look, but other than that, I love it. Like, it is an amazing alternative to ordering hair online, waiting days, waiting for it to come. You guys, that is so stressful when you can easily just go to your nearest hair store, pick up your wig, and that's it. So thank you so much to Rio Hair. I am loving my, look at my brush, y'all. Look at my brush, look at my scarf. I even got a hat. I have so many items. Definitely go to your nearest hair store and check out Rio Hair for all the bundles. They have closures, they have wigs, full lace wigs, whatever you need. With that being said, I am closing out this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.